Welcome back to the Review Garage, your ultimate destination for all things automotive, where innovation meets performance and luxury knows no bounds. If you're passionate about the most exclusive cars the world has to offer, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment in the fast lane. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping unveilings of the year. The all-new next-generation 2026 Mercedes Maybach has officially been revealed. And it's nothing short of an ultra-luxurious masterpiece, fused with futuristic design and bleeding-edge technology. This isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. And Mercedes-Benz has pulled out all the stops to redefine what it means to travel in style, comfort, and power. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Maybach commands attention. Dressed in a deep, polished black exterior that mirrors its surroundings like obsidian glass, the Maybach gleams under the showroom lights. It's more than just a finish, it's a presence. The ultra-wide body kit stretches dramatically across the rear, giving the vehicle an imposing stance like something straight out of a luxury concept sketch brought to life. The rear design alone looks like a spacecraft ready for launch. Aggressively sculpted fender flares extend far beyond the standard footprint, showcasing Mercedes' intent to blend aerodynamic efficiency with bold artistic engineering. Air intakes are massive and sharp-edged, integrating with aerodynamic canards and functional vents that create a performance-oriented yet opulent aesthetic. It's aggressive, it's high-tech, it's Maybach turned beast mode. Then there's the unmistakable badge, that iconic Mercedes star, sitting above the custom license plate that proudly spells out Maybach. It's a subtle reminder that, despite all this futuristic aggression, the soul of refinement still lives within. But the Maybach is far from just good looks. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a powerhouse of engineering. Though Mercedes has kept specific engine specs under wraps for now, insiders suggest a new generation hybrid V12 system is likely to power this beast. Combining electric precision with old-school brute force, expect over 750 horsepower and mind-blowing torque, delivered with that signature Maybach smoothness. Moving to the wheels, the alloy design is nothing short of artwork. Intricate, multi-spoke patterns in brushed metal, wrap-around performance tires that grip the ground like claws. And then we have those deeply tinted windows, maintaining the utmost privacy while hinting at the luxurious tech-filled interior that's rumored to include a panoramic smart glass roof, voice-activated controls, and AI-powered ambient experiences. For each passenger, step inside, and you're stepping into the future of comfort. Plush materials, hand-stitched leather, Swarovski crystal lighting, and custom soundscapes are only the beginning. The back seat isn't just a seat, it's a first-class suite. Reclining loungers, personal screens, a minibar, and zero-gravity comfort tuning. Mercedes didn't just raise the bar, they replaced it with something no one else has thought of yet. What makes the 2026 Maybach series so fascinating isn't just its luxury, it's how effortlessly it blends art, tech, and raw performance. This is the new benchmark for flagship sedans, pushing the boundaries in every direction, yet remaining unmistakably Maybach at heart. Whether you're a collector, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates elite craftsmanship, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach isn't just another luxury car, it's an experience crafted for the future. That wraps up today's spotlight on the all-new Maybach. What do you think about the design? Too bold or absolutely perfect? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the Review Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth looks at the world's most powerful, luxurious, and innovative vehicles. Until next time, stay driven.